the SoundPEATS Trueshift 2. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at the SoundPEATS Trueshift 2 True Wireless Earbuds. These are geared towards those that lead active lifestyles. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, USB-C charging cable, and an assortment of ear fins and ear tips. The Trueshift 2 features 5 hours of listening time, 100 hours with the case. It takes 2 hours to fully charge, uses Bluetooth 5.0, 6mm drivers, and CVC for noise reduction. Uses touch controls, USB-C, and a charge out function. IPX7 waterproof. The case comes with a 3000 mAh battery, and it is a bit on the larger end to support the long battery life. It's plastic all around with the SoundPEATS logo etched in on the top. On the front of the case is a removable rubber cover that gives you access to the USB-C charge port and the USB-A charge out port for charging devices. Opening the lid, you will find the charge status LED indicators in the middle. The lid opens and closes smoothly, and it's fairly light. It has a black transparent look to it, and it uses magnets. The earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case, and you can see the ear indicators on each side. The earbuds have a curvy, ergonomic design to them. The inside of it has a matte finish with the ear markings, and on the outer face you have the logo and a large surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds feature interchangeable ear fins, charging contacts, interchangeable ear tips, microphone, LED, and touch control. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are detailed in the manual and are straightforward. A few taps or a long hold to navigate playback and call controls. The case comes in at 3.7 by 2.3 by 1.3 inches. It weighs in at 102 grams, and the earbuds come in at roughly 11 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
I've had my heart broken in two, but something's different next to you. It's like my soul is set on fire, but oh, I'm starting to feel tired.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the SoundPEATS Trueshift 2 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone worked well during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. Pairing process was instant and I had no issues. You can use the earbuds independently, left or right side. And when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Trueshift 2. I found them to be very comfortable. It created a nice tight fit and it has good passive noise isolation. It does require a slight twist to get them seated, but definitely it felt secure. Touch controls don't add pressure in the ear canals when navigating. Build and quality is solid. Simple case design that feels durable. Earbuds also have a simple look to them and I like the ergonomic shape. They don't protrude out as much and it has a slim profile. The touch controls were responsive as well. Battery life is terrific, coming in at 5 hours and 100 total with the case. And it can be used also to charge out other devices as mentioned earlier. It would have been nice to see wireless charging. Now when it comes to sound, these really deliver. The bass was very pronounced. It's tight and punchy and not airy at all. Definitely falls on the warm side. Mids and highs come in fairly well. A bit recessed but clear. I would have liked it to be dialed up just a bit. But the sound signature will definitely be something you would expect if you're using these for workouts. It gives you that energetic feel. Overall, I feel that these deliver on the sounds. I think it's a good alternative if you don't like the earhook designs. These will definitely get you through your workouts and it will protect you from the elements with its IPX7 rating. So that is my review of the SoundPEATS Trueshift 2. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.